Hey everybody from Islands of Adventure for another Jurassic roller coaster update. This will be the last update of the year, and we'll try to catch some testing. We'll go take a walk around, see what's different in the area, check out the work on the entranceway, and yeah, let's go. Let's take a walk around the lagoon. Well, just like that, testing has already been spotted right away as walking in the park. So it happens really often now, it seems. There's probably 2 trains with a lead car on it, and then it seems like they switch them out about halfway through the day from what I've noticed in the past few days. But yeah, testing is ongoing. It's pretty easy to tell when it is going to test. So if you come down here, right behind the Popeye ride, probably my favorite area in the park, you can see this person standing there, which is a good sign that this thing is actively testing. And over here in the far turnaround, you can see a new fence in place, which is kind of upsetting. There was hope that that would be a nice viewing area. And to the first overbank. And those downward S-turns, and the last overbank.
And that will do it for this construction update. A construction update that turned really more into more testing footage, but that's okay. That's more exciting anyways. And with that, it looks like it's going to test one more time. There goes around the first Immelman. I will say goodbye now. So until next time, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and see ya.